ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। सम्पाद्य ज्ञानं च विधाय भक्तिम् विलोकितो येन समाधिराजः वैराग्यवन्तं सुविचारयुक्तं नमामि जोगं शिरसा गुरुन्तम् समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम्। नमो ज्ञानेश्वरा, नमो ज्ञानेश्वरा, निवृत्ति उदारा सोपान देवा, मुक्ताबाई नमो, त्रिभुवन पावनी आद्यत्रय जननी देवांची। यथैधांसि समिद्धोऽग्निर् भस्मसात् कुरुतेऽर्जुन ज्ञानाग्निः सर्वकर्माणि भस्मसात् कुरुते तथा। Power of knowledge is shown here. Knowledge burns prarabdha, sanchit and kriyaman karma. Knowledge doesn't burn prarabdha karma. Otherwise, as soon as people get realization, they will die. So, prarabdha karma will continue, and because of that, body will also continue. So, knowledge burns all karmas. It sounds little bit uh, difficult to understand because I have lived so many lives, and in that so many lives I have done so many karmas. Then how it is possible that knowledge will destroy all my karma account? It is highly impossible to vanish or obliterate everything. Highly impossible. So it's possible because knowledge has power. It's knowledge, power, anything is possible. And next sloka again tells the power of knowledge. Nahi jnanena sadrusham pavitramih vidyate tatsvayam yoga samsiddhah कालेनात्मनि विन्दति न हि ज्ञानेन सदृशं पवित्रमिह विद्यते तत्स्वयं योगसंसिद्धः कालेनात्मनि विन्दति। न हि ज्ञानेन सदृशं पवित्रम इह विद्यते तत् स्वयं योग संसिद्धः कालेन आत्मनि विन्दति। Very important shloka. Praise of knowledge. So whatever Bhagavan said before, knowledge is going to erase all my karmas. It seems very impossible. That's what Naneshwar Maharaj is telling in first verse. मरोनी असो हे न घडे ते विचारिताची असंगडे पुढती ज्ञानाचे निपाडे पवित्र न दिसे मनोनी असो हे न घडे ते विचारिताची असंगडे पुढती ज्ञानाचे निपाडे पवित्र न दिसे. So he is not telling that it is not possible, or we can understand this verse in this way that before he gave two example. One example is of the pralaya agni, the fire, the furious fire when the dissolution of world happens. So that fire is going to burn everything. What these clouds stand in front of it? Nothing. Or second example he gave, this Agni can burn all the woods and grass. So he says you can put this to these verses also. Manoni aso he na ghade. So this is not possible in thinking that Pralaya Kala Agni, the dissolving at the end of dissolution, the fire which takes a furious form, it is going to burn everything. That we cannot. It is not possible. And he says, if you start thinking, hey, vicharatachi asangad, it is difficult to think also. It is possible, but it is difficult to think. And we don't see the dissolution of entire world. You can say that. Or this karma, knowledge burns everything. So it is difficult to happen. If you start thinking knowledge is going to burn everything, it's very difficult to think also. But it's a power of knowledge. Pudati jnanache nipade. But further, there is no uh, pure, sacred than this knowledge. Jnanache nipade pavitra na dise. Sacred na dise. We can't see. We don't see something sacred than knowledge. Mano एथ ज्ञान हे उत्तम होये आणि कही एक तैसे के आहे जैसे चैतन्य का नो हे दुसरे गा एथ ज्ञान हे उत्तम होये आणि कही एक तैसे के आहे जैसे चैतन्य का नो हे दुसरे गा therefore ज्ञान हे उत्तम होय therefore knowledge is the highest superior pure thing आणि एक तैसे के आहे there is nothing like this knowledge. Can you give example? Yes. जैसे चैतन्य का नो है दूसरे गा. So there is no two consciousness. There is only one consciousness. Like that, there is one knowledge which is superior. There is no other thing. It is unparalleled. Chaitanya ka no he. There is no Chaitanya. Two Chaitanyas. There is only one Chaitanya. Okay. या महातेजाचे कसे जरी चोखाळू प्रतिबिंब दिसे का गिवसिले गिवसे आकाश हे या महातेजाची कसे जरी चोखाळू प्रतिबिंब दिसे का गिवसिले गिवसे आकाश हे. So Mahateja means sun, and there is a reflection of sun. Mahatejache nikase. If you compare प्रतिबिंब चोखाळू जरी दिसे, if you compare the reflection of sun with original sun, Mahatej sun, scorching sun, big sun, with the reflection of sun, will it be equal? It's not possible that both will have equal power, equal sunlight. का गिवसिले गिवसे आकाश है का गिवसिले गिवसे आकाश है. So will we find something which can encompass everything? So this akasha space is encompassing everything. Givasile givase akasha hai. Is there something which can encompass or encapsulate the space also? Not possible. So there is no powerful thing like sun is possible when you compare with its reflection, or it's not possible to have something which can encapsulate space also. Bhagwan is there, but here the thinking is going in different direction. ना तरी पृथ्वीचे नी पाडे जरी ना तरी पृथ्वीचे नी पाडे कांटाळे जरी जोडे. ना तरी पृथ्वीचे निपाडे, कांटाळे जरी जोडे, तरी उपमा ज्ञानी घडे पंडुकुमरा. ना तरी पृथ्वीचे निपाडे, कांटाळे जरी जोडे, तरी उपमा ज्ञानी घडे पंडुकुमरा. ओ सन ऑफ Pandu, we will find out something which is similar like knowledge. When Prithvi Cheni Pade, like this earth, if we find something heavy, heavier than earth, then there is possibility of upama, simile for knowledge. So there is nothing heavier than this Prithvi. Therefore, it is not possible to find out another upama for knowledge. Prithvi, Cheni, Pade, Zari Zode. If we find out, it's not possible to find out something heavier than, mightier than earth. So, knowledge is unparalleled. मनोनी बहुती परी पाहता, पुढत पुढती निर्धारिता, हे ज्ञानाची पवित्रता ज्ञानाची आथी. म्हणूनी पुढत बहुती परी पाहता, पुढत पुढती निर्धारिता, हे ज्ञानाची पवित्रता ज्ञानीची अति. Therefore, बहुती परी पाहता, if you think in diverse way from different standpoints, पुढती पुढत पुढती निर्धारिता, and further when you try to find out another simile for knowledge, you don't find it and you say ज्ञानाची पवित्रता ज्ञानीची आथी. The purity, the holiness of knowledge or wisdom belongs to wisdom only. There is nothing auspicious holier than knowledge. Can you give one example? Yes. जैसी अमृताची चवी निवडिजे, तरी अमृताची सारखी म्हणिजे, तैसे ज्ञान हे उपमिजे ज्ञानेसीची. जैसी अमृताची चवी निवडिजे, तरी अमृताची सारिखी म्हणिजे, तैसे ज्ञान हे उपमिजे ज्ञानेसीची. अमृताची चवी निवडिजे. If you want to describe the taste of nectar, we don't have another thing which will taste like nectar. तरी अमृताची सारिखी म्हणजे the taste of nectar is like taste of nectar. This is one kind of alankara. How is the war of Ram and Ravana? We don't find any simile to tell how was the war of Rama and Ravana. So we say it was like Rama and Ravana. Bhagwan is going to give same example further. This is what Naneshwar Maharaj has given. Same example I quoted from chapter 10 or 11. I don't remember exactly. आता यावरी जे बोलणे, ते वायाची वेळ फेडणे, तव साचची जी हे पार्थ म्हणे जे बोलत असा. आता यावरी जे बोलणे, ते वायाची वेळू फेडणे, तव साचची जी हे पार्थ म्हणे जे बोलत असा. आता, now, after explaining the greatness of knowledge, if I say further something, यावरी जे बोलणे, whatever I have explained, and if I add something more in that, ते वायाची वेळू फेडणे, it is like wasting our time. Arjuna also said, yes, Bhagwan, I understood that knowledge is superior, knowledge is unparalleled, I should have that knowledge. So, तवच पार्थ साचची जी हे म्हणे, पार्थ also said, yes, this is right. जे बोलत असा, whatever you are telling Bhagwan, that is true only. परी तेची ज्ञान केवी जाणावे, ऐसे अर्जुने जव पुसावे, तव ते मनोगत देवे जाणितले. परी तेची ज्ञान केवी जाणावे, ऐसे अर्जुने जव पुसावे, तव ते मनोगत देवे जाणितले. So when Arjuna said, yes, yes, Bhagavan, whatever you are saying, it's right. That time, Lord Krishna understood what is there in the heart of Arjuna. You see, beautiful. Tavate मनोगत देवे जाणितले. So, Bhagwan understood the heart of Arjuna. What? तेची ज्ञान केवी जाणावे. How to get that knowledge which you have explained so far. I say Arjuna Java Pusave. This question, when Arjuna was about to ask, he was thinking in his mind. Bhagwan understood it, and without Arjuna uttering word, Bhagwan said following words. मग म्हणतसे किरटी आता चित्त देई ये गोठी सांगेन ज्ञानाची ये भेटे उपाय तुझ मग म्हणतसे किरीटी आता चित्त देई ये गोठी सांगेन ज्ञानाची ये भेटे उपाय तुझ मग म्हणतसे किरीटी देन भगवान सेज ओ अर्जुना चित्त दिये ये गोठी पे अटेन्शन टू माय वर्ड्स वाय ज्ञानाची ये भेटी उपाय तुझ सांगेन हाऊ टू गेन नॉलेज that I will tell you now. Then, beautiful, wonderful shloka. Hmm. श्रद्धा वाल्लभते ज्ञानम तत्परः संयतेन्द्रियः ज्ञानं लब्ध्वा परां शान्तिम् अचिरेणाधिगच्छति श्रद्धा वाल्लभते ज्ञानं तत्परः संयतेन्द्रियः ज्ञानं लब्ध्वा परां शान्तिम् अचिरेणाधिगच्छति श्रद्धावान लभते ज्ञानम तत्परः संयत इंद्रियः ज्ञानम लब्ध्वा पराम शांतिम अचिरेणाधिगच्छति. Hmm. Shraddhavan, one who has faith. Tatparaha, one who is very, very alert in pursuing knowledge. Sanyatendriyaha, one who has controlled sense organs. Jnanam labhate, that person will get knowledge. Jnanam labdhva, once you gain the knowledge, achirena, like this. Param shantim adhigachati, you will gain param shanti, supreme peace in your life. So, person who has faith, who is ready to do any work for knowledge, one who has controlled all sense organ, that person will gain knowledge within a fractions of seconds. And once that knowledge you have, then you can get eternal peace, Bhagavan says. तरी आत्मसुखाची या गोडिया विटे जो का सकळ विषया जयाच्या ठाई इंद्रिया मानू नाही तरी आत्मसुखाची या गोडिया विटे जो का सकळ विषया जयाच्या ठाई इंद्रिया मानू नाही तरी आत्मसुखाची या गोडिया वन हू इज very much interested, very much aligned towards this Atma Sukha, self happiness, or Atma Sukha, real happiness. That person, vite joka sakala vishaya, he will not like all other objects. Means person who derives happiness from self will not beg, will not crave for happiness which comes from object. That is the person which Bhagavan is describing here. Jayacha thai indriya manu nahi. Jayacha thai. So in that person's character, indriya manu nahi, there is no, undue importance for sense organs. Undue importance. We give undue importance to a lot of things which is not there. जो मनासी चाडन सांगे जो प्रकृतीचे केले नेघे जो श्रद्धेचे निसंभोगे सुखिया झाला जो मनासी चाड न सांगे, जो प्रकृतीचे केले निघे, जो श्रद्धेचे निसंभोगे सुखिया झाला. वन हू डझंट टेल डिझायर्स टू हिज ओन माइंड. जो मनासी चाड न सांगे, वन हू डझंट टेल डिझायर्स टू हिज ओन माइंड. जो प्रकृतीचे केले नेघे, वन हू डझंट टेक, वन हू डझंट own what Prakriti is doing. For example, Rama is doing something. So Shama says, I am not doing anything. Rama is only doing like that. I am there, consciousness, and my Prakriti is there. So Prakriti is doing everything. So the person who has Shraddha, who doesn't tell desires to his mind, that same person doesn't own what his body or Prakriti is doing. And what else? जो श्रद्धेचे निसंभोगे सुखिया झाला. He is very happy because of this Shraddha. श्रद्धेचे निसंभोगे सुखिया झाला. Because of this Shraddha, he is very happy. Such person, if it is there, knowledge will come in the search of such person. तया तेची गिवसित, some printing mistake. Hmm. तया तेची गिवसित, हे ज्ञान पावे निश्चित. जया माझी अचुंबित शांती असे. तया तेची गिवसित, तया तेची, in English I'll write down, गिवसित, तया तेची गिवसित, हे ज्ञान पावे निश्चित. जया माझी अचुंबित शांती असे. So knowledge will search for that person, and that person will get the knowledge. In that knowledge, there is untouchable Shanti. That Shanti will not be disturbed by anyone. Jaya Majiya Chumbita Shanti ase. Achumbita Shanti. Chumbita, where is there? Where there is a touch of other things. So something touches, my Shanti goes away. But this Shanti which comes after knowledge, that is untouchable Shanti. No one can disturb that Shanti in you. ते ज्ञान हृदयी प्रतिष्ठे आणि शांतीचा अंकुर फुटे. मग विस्तार प्रगटे आत्मबोधाचा. ते ज्ञान हृदयी प्रतिष्ठे आणि शांतीचा अंकुर फुटे. मग विस्तार प्रगटे आत्मबोधाचा. Once this knowledge established in your heart, once you accept this knowledge, once you give utmost importance to this knowledge, then shantica ankura fute, then there will be sprout of peace. And magavistar pragate atmabodhacha, then there will be expansion of atmabodha. Whatever divine knowledge you have, that knowledge you will see everywhere. Atmabodhacha vistar pragate. So your self you will see expanded everywhere. Then wherever you see, there you will get Shanti. Here Shanti means Atma Chaitanya. Swaswarupa you will see everywhere in every person. मग जेवते वास पाहिजे, तेवते शांतीच देखिजे. तेथ अपारा पारुणेनिजे निर्धारिता. मग जेवते वास पाहिजे, तेवते शांतीची देखिजे. तेथ अपारा पारुणेनिजे निर्धारिता. मग जेवती वास पाहिजे. Then wherever you see, whether animal, bird, stone, rocks, river, wherever, Tevti Shanti Dekije, there in every Upadhi you will see Upahita Chaitanya. You will see Paramatma, consciousness. You will forget form, you will see formless. Ata apara parune nije nirdharita. And actually speaking, Tetha, once you attain that, apara, unlimited, unconceivable. Parune nije nirdharita. If you start thinking, you cannot put limitations to unlimited Paramatma. So that kind of experience you will have when you understand this. ऐसाहा उत्तरोत्तरू ज्ञान बीजाचा विस्तारू सांगता असे अपारू परीत असो आता ऐसाहा उत्तरोत्तरू ज्ञान बीजाचा विस्तारू सांगता असे अपारू परी असो आता ऐसा उत्तरोत्तरू like this उत्तर उत्तरोत्तरू further and further ज्ञान बीजाचा विस्तारू the seed of knowledge and its expansion is unlimited. Sangata asya paru. It is unlimited. Infinite ways I can tell you talk about this ajnana and its expansion. Pariyaso ata. But let it be now. It's enough. No, very important shloka Bhagavan says. This is a caution for all of us. Three people, they destroy themselves in their life. अज्ञश्चाश्रद्धधानश्च संशयात्मा विनश्यति नायं लोकोऽस्ति न परः न सुखं संशयात्मनः अज्ञश्चाश्रद्धधानश्च संशयात्मा विनश्यति नायं लोकोऽस्ति न परः न सुखं संशयात्मनः अज्ञः च अश्रद्धधानः च संशयात्मा विनश्यति न अयं लोकः अस्ति न परः लोकः अस्ति न सुखम संशयात्मनः. Very important shloka and importance of faith is given here. Ajnah, ignorant. Ashraddhadhanah, unfaithful person. Samshayatma, doubtful person, vinashyati, will destroy himself. Here, destructions means not that he will die. Here, destructions means with whatever purpose he has arrived on this earth, that purpose will not be fulfilled. Once again, I say here, destruction doesn't mean if someone doesn't have faith in God, he will die. Whatever, with whatever purpose, motive he has come on this earth, that won't be fulfilled. He won't get it. Who all are these people? Ajna, ignorant. Ashraddhadhanah, unfaithful person. Samshayatma, one who has samshaya. Samshayatmanah, now Bhagavan puts more faith on this, more press or stress on this Samshayatmanah. One who has doubt in their heart. Ayam lokah na asti. They will not get this world. They will not get utmost happiness in this world. Will they get in Swarga? Na paralokah. They won't be happy either in Swarga or Brahma or whichever loka they won't be happy here, they won't be happy hereafter. Nacha sukham asti. And they won't have this Swarga loka and happiness in that. So one is you get this Mrityu loka and second is you get happiness in that. Bhagavan says one who is samshayatma, one who is doubtful person, he will not come to this world. He will not go to other world. And if at all he comes, he will not have sukham. This another interpretation, just little bit twisted interpretation. But important is he will not get this world, he won't get that world, he won't be happy either way. ऐके जया प्राण्यांच्या ठाई या ज्ञानाची आवडी नाही तयाचे जियाले म्हणो काही वरी मरण चांग ऐके जया प्राण्यांच्या ठाई या ज्ञानाची आवडी नाही, तयाचे जियाले म्हणो काही, वरी मरण चांग. Naneshwar Maharaj says, listen, people who don't have interest in this divine knowledge, for such people, the death is better. तयाचे जियाले मनो kai, what can I talk about their life? They are better died. So, those who don't have love, passion towards knowledge of self, these people are as good as died. So, death would be preferable for such life. So, it's not life only, they are just dying every day. Can you give example? Yes. Shunya jaise gruha का चैतन्ये वीण देह तैसे जीवित ते सम्मोह ज्ञानहीना शून्य जैसे गृह का चैतन्ये वीण देह तैसे जीवित ते सम्मोह ज्ञानहीना. So without knowledge how life would be, that Naneshwar Maharaj is explaining. Just like there is a big house, 10 BHK house, and there is no one to live in that house. How it will be? Useless house. Like that, I have big life and there is no this urge to gain the knowledge. How it will be? Useless only. Ka chaitanye vina deha. There is a body, but that body doesn't have consciousness in it. It will be useless. Same way, I have body, I have life. There is no spark of knowledge in my life. It will be useless. तैसे जीवितते सम्मोह ज्ञानहीना. Jnanahina, one who is devoid of knowledge. Jivitate sammoha, his life will be filled with wrong thinking. That's how he will get. Athva jnanu. Now he says, अथवा ज्ञान कीर आपुनो हे परिते चाड एक जरी वाहे तरी तेथ जिवाळा काही आहे प्राप्तीचा पै. अथवा ज्ञान कीर आपुनो हे परिते चाड एकी जरी वाहे तरी तेथ जिवाळा काही आहे प्राप्तीचा पै. A person is there who doesn't have knowledge, who hasn't gained knowledge yet. Jnanu kira apuno he, but he has desire to gain the knowledge. Parite चाड eki जरी वाहे, but he carries that desire to know Paramatma, know himself. For such person, knowledge will come. So person who has smallest desire, slightest desire to gain the knowledge will get the knowledge. People who don't want, they will be trash only. तरी तेत जिवाळा काही आहे प्राप्तीचा पै. There is chance to get the to gain the knowledge if you have little bit desire. You don't have knowledge, but you have desire. That's what lacking in all of us. We don't have knowledge, but on the top of that, we don't have desire to gain the knowledge. If you have desire, slightest desire somewhere in the corner of your heart, you will get it. वाचोनी ज्ञानाची गोठी कायसी परिते आस्था ही न धरी मानसी तरी तो संशय रूप हुताशी पडिला जाण. वाचुनी ज्ञानाची गोठी कायसी परिते आस्था ही न धरी मानसी तरी तो संशय रूप हुताशी पडिला जाण. वाचूनी ज्ञानाची गोठी कायसी. He doesn't like knowledge. And on the top of that, he doesn't have desire, faith in that knowledge. So he doesn't want knowledge. Astha hinadari manasi. There is no greatness, vision of greatness of that knowledge. That is also not there. He say knowledge, it's of no use, impractical. तो संशय रूप हुताशी पडिला जाण. He will be falling in the samshaya rupa hutashi. He will be falling in the doubt of, he will be the falling in the fire of doubts. One who doesn't want knowledge, one who doesn't want to listen the name of knowledge, and one who doesn't have desire, that person will fall in the fire of doubts. Then what will happen? You see further. जे अमृतही परी नावडे ऐसे सावियाची आरोचकु जै पडे तै मरण आले असे पुढे जाणो येकी. जे अमृतही परी नावडे ऐसे सावियाची आरोचकु जै पडे तै मरण आले असे पुढे जाणो येकी. So Naneshwar Maharaj says, if you don't like knowledge, it is as good as you don't like nectar. So once you don't like nectar, then death is standing in front of you. Like that, if you don't like knowledge, death is standing in front of you to swallow you. Je amrutahi parinavade, he doesn't like nectar. Aise saviyachi arojaku jai pade, and this person has no test for that knowledge. Tai marana ale fude, then death will occur, death will stand in front of you. So we must like knowledge, we must strive to gain that knowledge, we must gain that knowledge and nourish our life. Okay, that person will be enjoying happiness through objects. तैसा विषय सुखे रंजे जो ज्ञानासीची माझे तो संशये अंगीकारिणे एत भ्रांती नाही. तैसा विषय सुखे रंजे जो ज्ञानेसीची माझे तो संशये अंगीकारिजे एत भ्रांती नाही. So person who doesn't like knowledge, that person will be engaging in sense objects. Taisa Vishaya Sukhe Ranje. He will be engaged in sense objects. Jnane Si Samaje. He won't give attention to knowledge. He won't value the knowledge. That person will be pounced by this doubt. तो संशये अंगीकारिजे यथ भ्रांति nahi. He will be entangled in all the doubt. He will be encompassed by all the doubts. Eta bhranti nahi. There is no doubt about it. Means person who doesn't believe in this knowledge, he will be engaged in Vishaya Sukha objects and he won't give value to knowledge. That person will be undoubtedly encompassed by knowledge. मग संशयी जरी पडला तरी निभ्रांत जाणे नासला तो ऐहिक परत्रा मुकला सुखासिगा. मग संशयी जरी पडला तरी निभ्रांत जाणे नाशला तो ऐहिक परत्रा मुकला ज्ञान सुखासिगा. So such person who fell into this fire of doubt, तरी निभ्रांत जाणे नासला, that person will destroy himself. Very evident that if you have doubt about something, you won't have clarity. Once you don't have clarity, further process is terminated. तो ऐहिक परत्रा मुकला सुखासिगा, that person will be deprived of happiness in this world, happiness hereafter. One who has samshaya. Therefore, we should not have samshaya. Can you give example? Yes. जया काळ ज्वरू अंगी बाणी तो शीतोष्णे जैसी नेणे आगी आणि चांदणे सरिसे चिमाणी. जया काळ ज्वरू अंगी बाणे तो शीतोष्णे जैसे नेणे आगी आणि चांदिणे सरिसे चिमाणी. A person who has fever, he will be, he won't know cold and hot. शीत उष्ण जैसी नेने, heat and cold he won't know. Or agi, heat. Another example for heat, agi, fire. Chandine, coolness. So cold and heat, he won't know. Sarise chimani, for him, it will be same only. The person who has fever, for him, cold and heat will be same. Or moonlight and fire will be same. Means heat and cold will be same. That Dhaneshwar Maharaj wants to tell. ऐस तैसे साच लटके साचाणी लटके विरुद्धाणी निके संशय तो नोळखे हिताहित तैसे साचाणी लटिके विरुद्धाणी निके संशय तो नोळखे हिताहित तैसे like that person who has hundreds of doubt about guru his teachings atmatattva sadhana that person साच आणि लटिके नोळखे he won't know what is truth, what is untruth. Viruddha आणि निके, what is conducive, what is unconducive, he won't know. What is beneficial, what is harmful, he won't know. संशयितो नोळखे हिताहित. So what is sorry here? Viruddha, right, wrong. Nike, right. So right, wrong, truth, untruth, beneficial and harmful, he won't know. So hita, what is conducive? Ahita, what is non-conducive? Samshay to nolke, to samshay nolke. That doubtful person will never know these things. Can you give example? Yes. हा रात्री दिवस पाही जैसा जात्यंधा ठावा नाही तैसे संशय असता काही मना नये. हा रात्री दिवस पाही जैसा जात्यंदा ठाऊवा नाही तैसे संशय असता काही मना नये. जात्यंद, person who is blind by birth, that person will not know it's day or night now. Same way, person who is like doubtful by birth, that person will not know what is right, what is wrong, what is conducive, what is non-conducive. He will not know. तैसे संशय असता काही मना नये. Mana naye. Nothing will come to his mind if he has doubts in his mind. Therefore, what you do? Leave this samshaya because मनवणी संशया हुन थोर आणिक आणिक नाही पाप घोर हा विनाशाची वागूर प्राणियांसी म्हणउनी संशयाहुनी थोर आणिक पाप नाही घोर हा विनाशाची वागूर प्राणियांसी. Therefore, there is no biggest sin than this doubts, ambiguity. Nahi anika papa gora. There is no dense, thick sin or greater sin, terrible sin than this, having doubts in our mind. It is like snare. Ha vinashachi vagura praniyansi to all of us. It is like a net which will catch us, which will kill us. Vagura net or snare. Vinashachi vagura. This is net of destruction. What? Samshaya. Therefore, येणे कारणे तुवा त्यजावा आधी हाची एक जिनावा जो ज्ञानाची अभावा माझी असे. येणे कारणे तुवा त्यजावा आधी हाची एक जिनावा जो ज्ञानाची अभावा माझी असे. येणे कारणे, because this samshaya is going to be very terrible for you, you must give it up. Adi hachi ekas jinava. Then you win over that samshaya, overcome that samshaya. Where is that samshaya generally, doubt or ambiguity? Where is that? Jnanachya abhava majyase, which is there where knowledge is absent. So samshaya always stays there where knowledge is not. So in the absence of knowledge, this ambiguity grows further. So better what you do? Go to that place, means have knowledge. Renounce all this संशय. जै अज्ञानाचे गडद पडे, तै बहुवन वाढे, म्हणून सर्वता मागुमोडे विश्वासाचा. जै अज्ञानाचा गडद पडे, तै बहुवन वाढे, म्हणून सर्वता मागुमोडे विश्वासाचा. So when this ignorance goes to next level, when the ignorance become more thick, तै बहुवन वाढे. Once this ignorance become very thick, then when this ignorance grows more, that time bahuvasa mani vade. That's why I was confused. Bahuvasa mani vade. Then the mind, when this ignorance goes to further level, then mind also becomes very disturbed. And once mind is disturbed, then there is no faith remain. I will write in English for you. जै अज्ञानाचे गडद पडे, तै तैहा बहुवस मनी वाढे. वाढे. So this ignorance, this samshaya will grow in your mind when there is thick and dense ignorance. And once ignorance is there and samshaya, doubt is also there, then vishwasacha margu sarvatha mode. There is no way, there is no path, there is no scope for this shraddha. Shraddha will be gone. हृदयी हाचिन समाये, बुद्धि ते गिवसोनी ठाये, तेथ संशयात्मक होये लोकत्रय. हृदयी हाचिन समाये, बुद्धि ते गिवसोनी ठाये, तेथ संशयात्मक होये लोकत्रय. Then this doubt will go further. हृदयी हाचिन समाये, it won't fit in your mind. Then it will go to intellect, means decisions will be wrong. Then if this ambiguity is there, samshaya, doubt is there, confusion is there, then mind also will not think in proper way. So once mind doesn't think proper way, buddhite gevsoni thai, then this samshaya will take care of my intellect. My intellect means my decisions also will be overtaken. And then what will happen? Slowly I will doubt on everything. My teacher, my sadhana, myself, my birth, my death, everyone I will doubt, because the samshaya will not be limited till your mind, till your confusion, till your thoughts. It will go to the level of your decisions, and slowly it will capture all entire three worlds. धन्य काळ संत भेटी, पायी मिठी पडली तो, पायी मिठी पडली तो, संदेहाची सुटली गाठी, संदेहाची सुटली गाठी, झालो पोटी शीतळ, झालो पोटी शीतळ, भवनदीचा झाला तारा, भवनदीचा झाला तारा, या उत्तरा प्रसादे, या उत्तरा प्रसादे, संदेहाची सुटली गाठी, संदेहाची सुटली गाठी, झालो पोटी शीतळ, झालो पोटी शीतळ. आणि तुका म्हणे मंगळ आता, तुका म्हणे मंगळ आता, तुका म्हणे मंगळ आता, तुका म्हणे मंगळ आता, कोण दाता याहुनी, कोण दाता याहुनी, संदेहाची सुटली गाठी, संदेहाची सुटली गाठी, संदेहाची सुटली गाठी, संदेहाची सुटली गाठी, झालो पोटी शीतळ, झालो पोटी शीतळ, शीतळ, संदेहाची सुटली गाठी, संदेहाची सुटली गाठी, गाठी, संदेहाची सुटली गाठी, गाठी, संदेहाची सुटली गाठी. ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम, ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम, ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम, ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम, तुकाराम 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 तुकाराम. पुंडलीक वरदा हरी विठ्ठल श्री ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम पंढरीनाथ भगवान की जय. माऊली ज्ञानेश्वर महाराज की जय. जगद्गुरु तुकाराम महाराज की जय. सद्गुरु जोग महाराज की जय. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. हरिः ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. हरिः ओम.